Okay, we're back. You're listening to 95.7 The Choice. And we're coming to you live from the Asheville Radio Cafe right here, downtown Asheville, 81 Patton Avenue. Sort of the end of town, right before you get out of the heart of downtown Asheville, next to Pritchard Park. And just finished up our interview with Josh Gilbert Band. And we got some other good old friends here in the cafe tonight. Hi guys, how are you?
What's up, man? Good.
We're still going by Out on the Rain?
Yeah.
Okay. We've got Hunter and Brandon Cox and a new member. Why don't you go ahead and tell everybody your name and your background and where you're from and all that?
My name is Chris Weiss, and I played bass, fill in. I guess everybody has at one time or another for Reckless Mercy.
Amen.
And so I'm from Clinton, South Carolina.
Okay, and the association with Reckless is how you got connected with these guys?
That's right. That's right.
It was all Jesus.
And well, what about before that though, before the Reckless? Tell us a little bit, since you're the new guy, tell us a little bit more about music background and life in South Carolina.
I've played a little bit of everything from hip hop to symphonic metal, so kind of a little bit of everything, contemporary and praise and worship in church and whatnot. So, and South Carolina, I was going to say, it's South Carolina.
The armpit of the United States.
That's there. That's
I'm from there,
dangerous.
so I'm allowed.
Yeah. A little bit of slack. So, with everything that's going on, just you know, I know you guys have done some solo things and done some things together. Of course, you had Horizons Mondays. Tell us a little bit about what's going on right now. What are you looking to do, and what direction are you headed in today?
Well, right now, it's like I said, Outrun the Rain. And so right now, it's just the three of us. And we actually just started really not long ago. Like, that's what it is right now. It's like maybe 3 weeks ago, doing what we're doing now. In the middle of a new CD, and playing a lot of those songs tonight. So just looking forward to that, really. Just to
Okay, and is this a bit of the original Outrun the Rain material, or is this all brand new material? Or
It's like
a combination of both?
It's mainly brand new.
Okay, because you're a writing animal. I mean,
Yeah.
for people that don't know, Hunter Cox, you write 5 songs before you have breakfast in the morning.
Yeah.
I mean, that's just your life.
This is how I do.
I don't get it, man.
That's how he rolls.
That's how he rolls. That's how he outruns.
Say, Hunter, I got a new song. Okay, when'd you write it? 5 minutes ago.
Yeah.
He's just
And
got
then
it
5
like that.
minutes before that, I wrote another one.
Yeah, actually, it's funny you mentioned that because tonight we're playing 2 new songs that aren't on the record that are newer than the record.
Give away all.
So there you go.
You just can't record them fast enough.
I'm too impatient for that.
Well, some of them, you know, I'm just a good writer, and some of them, you know, I'd like to see you play more than once.
Yeah.
Sorry, I'll give you a hard time. But
No,
really
no.
good stuff.
And we are playing the single song for a sad girl.
Okay.
Yeah.
Great cut. Great cut. So let's go ahead and do it. You're listening to 95.7 The Choice. Live from the Asheville Radio Cafe, band right now, Outrun the Rain, and we're going to do Song for Sad Girl. Very cool, thanks.
Some days it feels alive, you just can't last. But there's no sweeter dance than when you're dancing on broken glass. And when you always want to be somewhere besides where you are. And you cry every night, and I know it must be hard. Baby, now I've been thinking and dead now. I've been thinking some way, somehow everything will be alright. Baby, now I've been thinking and dead now. the sun will shine for you. Some days it feels like you just can't last, but there's no sweeter dancing when you're dancing on broken glass. When you always want to be somewhere besides where you are, and you cry every night, and I know it must be hard. Hey now, I've been thinking, hey now, I've been thinking somewhere, somehow, every day will be alright. Baby, hey now, I've been thinking, hey now, I've been thinking somewhere, somehow, every day will be alright. Sun will shine for you. Hey now, I've been thinking today now, I've been thinking somewhere, somehow, today will be alright. Hey now, I've been thinking, hey now, I've been thinking somewhere, somehow, everything will be alright. Sun will shine for you.
All right, definitely one of my favorites. Don't have me read that one. Definitely one of my favorites. Good call, good call. All right, you're listening to 95.7 The Choice. Coming live from the Asheville Radio Cafe right here in downtown Asheville. Get ready for our night of music that has outrun the rain. And we're going to kick off our show tonight with Zuzu. Zuzu is one of the guitar players from Piper Pelly. I don't see him right now. He's probably up at the bar. And he's going to kick us off. We get along good because he's a big Eric Clapton fan. And so am I. So he's going to kick us off with some cool covers and some other tunes. And then we're going to get to Outrun the Rain and then Josh Gilbert. So great night of music coming up to you. You don't want to miss it. Come on down to the Asheville Radio Cafe.
Come on down.
Come on down, have a good time. And you can pick on Brandon while you go. Give him a
I'll do that.
All right, come on down. Here we go.
Awesome.